Are you looking for a weekend hideaway? Well, the Ritz-Carlton Al-Wadi Desert offers you just that. Located in the stunning Wadi Dunes of the Northern Emirates, Ras Al Khaimah, within a gated 1,235-acre private nature reserve. The residences are designed to offer a combination of modern amenities with traditional Arabian hospitality. As you walk in, you're welcomed by modern open-plan living and dining space overlooking the stunning terrace. The bedrooms are all spacious with wardrobes and an ensuite bathrooms, all offering exceptional views of the Arabian desert. Each villa has its own private terrace with an infinity pool looking out into the dunes. Inspired by Bedouin architecture, the homes are designed with modern and Arabic design. A wide range of facilities are accessible to residents, such as the hotel spa, the Oasis pool and bar, a wide range of restaurants, and more. The project is developed by Raad Hospitality, which consists of 35 independent villas, ranging from 3, 4, and 5 bedrooms. Fully branded by the Ritz-Carlton and fully furnished, with sizes that range from 5,000 square feet up until 7,000 square feet in size. The price of this privileged residence starts at 15 million dirhams, which is roughly $4 million US. Thank you for watching. To get in touch, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more.